My channel, guys, and today we are going to take a look at the few of the brand new Cydia tweaks that are must have on your jailbroken device. And now before we start this video and before we proceed to the next step, the first thing I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So the first thing, like always we do, we're gonna go to Cydia, and once we go to Cydia, and then we're gonna let the Cydia load completely, and before we go to the next step, just give a second, and there you go, it's finished. And now what you can do, you can go to this search tab and go to the search bar and search for these Cydia tweaks. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to install recent, and now the first Cydia tweak that is just got dropped today is this one right here. It's called Cydia. And as you guys can see right here, if I click on the modify on top right corner, it says reinstall or remove. And now I just want to mention to you guys really quick, if we go back and go to changes, and as you guys can see, this is the actual tweak right here, the second one right here, or the the third one right here, it is a Cydia trial. So now, what's the difference? This is the actual tweak, and if we open up, as you guys can see right here, it is, you have to pay for it, you have to buy it, it's $1.99, and there's a screenshot about it, and also there's a description in the bottom of customable your home screen. And there's everything about this tweak, you can read through it. And if you don't want to pay and you just want to try it and you want to see how you and what do you think about this tweak, you can download this trial version right here. As you guys can see, Cydia trial, and this is free to download and free to use. And you don't have to do anything, just simply tab the install and install it, and it's the same thing, they give you full access just like the regular tweak, but this is just a trial. And also, as you guys can see right here, comparability, the sports iPhone, iPad and iPod touch running on iOS 14.0 to 14.4. So if you jailbroken on those versions, you can download this and install it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys on my device. If I go to settings, go to tweaks, and as you guys can see all the way in the bottom, this is the tweak that we're looking at. We open this up, and now this is your setting page, and there's so many options that you can choose from, and there's so much stuff that you can mess with. And this is for your mainly for your lock screen. So as you guys can see, the first option is to enable it, flip that switch, and then you go down. As you guys can see right here, the time and the date. Now you can customize that. As you guys can see, under that time and date, there's a time format. You can format the time. As you guys can see, mine is set to hours, minutes, and seconds. And then you can choose the time font. If we click on the time font right there, you have the access to all these cool font that you can choose from. Is from A to Z. Let's do this one right here. As you guys can see, it changes the time. Now if we go down, and then you have the size grabber right here, the time size. And if you do this, and I mean you can live see when you are making a change. And as you guys can see right here, this is I would say too big. So that right here it will fit on exactly on your screen. And now the next one is the date format. You can do month, day, and year, or you can do year, day, month. You can change those things up. And then you got the date font. Click on that, and then you have the access to all those beautiful font for your date. And we're going to try this one right here. As you guys can see, it's just a flowers. So if I drag down from the status bar, as you guys can see, you got the time, and then you got the beautiful flowers where it's supposed to be date. And we click back, and then let's do this one right here. As you guys can see, you got this cool looking font for your date. Now the next one is basically the grabber for your date. You can do the date font size. As you guys can see, you can change whatever you like the size, and I'm going to leave it at that. Then you got the nano size. As you guys can see right there, you can make the border glow or non-glow right here. This is what this for. And then you got the nano color. Now you can pick the colors just tapping on that first, and you can do the yellow, you can do the purple, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to go with the green for right now. As you guys can see right here. Kind of it's dim, so let's go with the blue. As you guys can see right there, just like that. And you can change the background color. We're going to do the yellow. As you guys can see, blue and yellow goes perfect together, I think, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys think. So now then you got the next section is the nano size for your face ID. As you guys can see right here, this is the grabber to make the border glow. And then you got the colors. And down here, now you can see there's a camera, flashlight, and lock. If we do the camera, gonna be with the default, and then if we do the flashlight, as you guys can see in the middle, it changed to flashlight. And then if you do the lock, it gives you unlock and lock. And then you can change the glow colors. Just click on and just change the colors. And then you got the color pickers down here. And then you got the nano size, as you guys can see right here, just like that. So the top section is for unlock, the bottom is for lock, and then you got the colors for the lock. So this is what you can do with your lock screen. And I think, in my opinion, it's really awesome Cydia tweak. And I'm going to bring you guys a video where you can get totally free. You don't have to pay, but you guys have to wait for just a little bit. I'm going to make a separate video to show you guys how to get this tweak free if you guys don't want to pay for it. So if I drag down from the status bar, as we can see right here, it opens, and then if we click on it and exit out of that circle, you can do flashlight, you can do lock, and you can do camera. And then you come back, let it go, just like that. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this trial and checking it out. And if you guys like it, you guys don't want to buy it, just wait for it for my next video, and I'll show you guys how to get this for free in the next one. Now if I drag down, and I just want to mention the trial will give you only 1 hour. So as you guys can see, the trial version, 35 minutes left. So since I downloaded it, I got only 35 minutes before it expire, and then we have to purchase it. But like I say, just wait. Now if we go back into the Cydia, and next tweak we are going to talk about is Pro Key right here. And Pro Key is basically, let me change the language for you guys. Okay, so as we can see the description, you can literally feel every key strike. You will be able to customize the look of your keyboard as well as add beautiful animation so that you that every letter you enter appear in the visible color. Now if we look at the picture right here, as you guys can see on the left side, when you press the key you can have those circles just like that, or we go to the second one, and as you guys can see you can have the fireworks. So I'm going to show you guys on my device. I just want to mention it is comparable with the iOS 13.0 all the way to 14.4. So now that's been said, let me show you guys. So once you download that, go to your setting, go to your tweaks, and find Pro keys right here. This is the interface for this, and the first option is to Pro keys able. So able to flip that switch, and then you have 3 options right here you can choose from. So if we go to the first one right here, it will you can able the physical clicks, and then you can feedback. You can do soft, light, medium, heavy, or reverse. So that's your choice. Whatever the feel you like, you can set that up just like tapping these buttons. And then you can go to the journal blue switch style key release, so you can flip that and it will give you blue. And then the next one you can get the Android mode, flip this, and this one is not working right now because it's still brand new, and just like we can see in the bottom, the developer put the message it might not gonna work. Next one is the color and the style. You can choose mess with all these keys, and you can do the gloss keys, you can do flat keys, or you can hide keycap, or you can hide key pop-ups. And then you got the keyboard colors, and then we got the key letter colors, and then we got the use dot mode colors, and then you got the random colors right here. So you can set whatever you want from here, these grabbers, and it will set. And then the next option we're going to look at is the animation right here. You can change the animation from here. So the first option is to enable that, and then next one is the animation style. You can do the bubble, you can do halo, or you can do firework. I like the firework one. And then you can do the size pixel. So let's set it to 3, and then you can do the animation colors manual or random. So we can do random, and this is the manual. So once you do the manual, then you can pick your color. But if you do the random, it will, each time you're going to press the key, it will give you different colors. And I will show you guys here in a second. Now the next one, as you guys can see, there's a section that says fireworks strike. So let's set it to, actually that's going to be too big. So I'm going to set it to 13.0, and then you got the set and lit. And you can set those however you like. I'm going to do it right here, and we exit. And then before you exit out of this tweak, you don't need to respring or anything. You just go to, as you guys can see, test your setup, and once you click on it, and you get the access to your keyboard, and then you start typing. And as you guys can see, this is really awesome animation. I love it, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it too. This is something brand new. We never had this animation for the keyboard. So that's all you have to do. Just exit. You don't need to respring. If I pull down my spotlight, as you guys can see, it's fully working, just like that. So that's all this tweak does, is for your keyboard, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next one we are going to talk about really quick is the PhotosPro right here. as you guys can see. PhotosPro basically is the tweak for your photo application, and I'm going to list the repo and the package name in the description so you guys can get it. And all you have to do, download this, and once you download, go to your setting, go to your tweak section, and as you guys can see right here, this is the tweak. We open this up. This is the interface for this, and as you guys can see, now application setting, automatic audio backplay when playing a video, or you can do default. You can do audio. It's up to you. And then you got the option to enable it, and then skip the delete confirmation window, and that will, you know how we have a photo and we want to delete, and then you hit the delete button, and then they ask you to confirm you really want to delete. It will disable that window, and you can, the minute you hit the delete, it will completely delete it, and it's, you know, one less step to go through. And then you got the hide your private and search album. You can turn this on, and then you can hide media type option from the album. And these are the options you can do with this, and this really simple, really clean, and really easy to use. There's not much to configure from, and honestly, I love this tweak on my device, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. You guys gonna be happy with it. So that's been said, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. So that's all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.